Welcome, tea enthusiasts and curious sippers! Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey into the world of clove tea. But there's a twist. While clove tea is celebrated for its rich aroma and potential health perks, it harbors some unexpected secrets, surprising side effects that might just leave you wide-eyed. Going overboard with clove tea can lead to tummy turmoil, potential interactions with medications, and, surprisingly, the possibility of excessive blood thinning. Remember, it's all about balance when it comes to clove tea. A little spice can be nice, but too much might not be as pleasant as it sounds. So let's start. 1. Gastrointestinal discomfort. Despite its flavorful allure, excessive consumption of clove tea can lead to digestive woes. Overindulgence may result in stomach upset, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, making it crucial to exercise moderation when enjoying this aromatic brew. 2. Blood-thinning tendencies. Clove tea contains eugenol, a natural compound known for its blood-thinning properties. While this can be advantageous in controlled amounts, excessive clove tea intake may increase the risk of bleeding and potentially interact with blood-thinning medications, causing unintended complications. 3. Allergic reactions. Surprisingly, some individuals may discover that they have an allergy to cloves, a revelation that can turn a soothing tea time ritual into an unexpected challenge. Sipping on clove tea, with its aromatic charm, could potentially unlock the gateway to unwelcome allergic responses. These may manifest as bothersome skin rashes, persistent itching, or even more concerning, swelling of the face, tongue, or throat. These startling reactions underscore the critical importance of being not just tea enthusiasts, but also vigilant guardians of our individual sensitivities. So, as you savor the complexities of clove tea, remember that a dash of caution might just be the key to a delightful tea experience. 4. Liver and kidney concerns. Although clove tea is less concentrated than clove oil, excessive consumption can still pose risks to vital organs. Prolonged, excessive intake may potentially harm the liver and kidneys, emphasizing the need for moderation in tea consumption. 5. GERD aggravation. Clove tea's robust flavor and its potential to relax the lower esophageal sphincter can exacerbate symptoms of gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, leading to heartburn and acid reflux. It's vital for those with GERD to consume clove tea in moderation. 6. Blood sugar fluctuations. Clove tea's influence on blood sugar levels can be surprising, particularly for individuals with diabetes. Overconsumption may lead to hypoglycemia when combined with diabetes medication, necessitating careful monitoring. 7. Medication interactions. Clove tea's interactions with medications, such as anticoagulants, antiplatelet drugs, and those for diabetes or blood pressure, can be unexpected. Depending on the individual and the medication, clove tea can either potentiate or diminish their effects, underscoring the importance of consulting a healthcare professional, especially when dealing with complex medication regimens. Intriguingly, while clove tea has its set of cautions, it can still be a flavorful and beneficial addition to your tea collection when savored in moderation and with an awareness of individual health considerations. So, brew wisely and relish the delightful nuances of clove tea without unwelcome surprises. While clove tea offers a plethora of flavors and potential health benefits, it's vital to respect the power of moderation. These unexpected side effects, ranging from gastrointestinal discomfort to medication interactions, remind us to enjoy clove tea responsibly. So, as you explore the world of herbal teas, remember to strike that delicate balance. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more insightful content on health, wellness, and the intriguing world of teas. Your support keeps us brewing,